The rise of AI and robotics is transforming the world faster than anyone expected. Companies like Google and Tesla are leading this revolution, showing how advanced robots can now perform tasks once reserved for humans. Their new technologies are reshaping industries, reducing the need for human workers, and redefining the future of the global workforce. We are entering an era where robots are no longer simple machines. They have become intelligent workers that don't need rest, don't need salaries, and never get tired. Over the past decade, robotics and AI have reached extraordinary levels of advancement. Google has integrated DeepMind's powerful AI into real-world robots, allowing them to think, analyze, and solve problems independently. Tesla's Optimus robot is another major breakthrough. Elon Musk's goal is simple. Every repetitive, dangerous, or boring task should be done by robots. This vision is already becoming reality inside Tesla's gigafactories. Modern factories no longer look like noisy, messy workshops. They now operate with silent, precise, fully automated robotic assembly lines. In Tesla's manufacturing plants, more than 70% of operations are performed by robots, including welding, painting, assembling, quality checking, and battery production. Google is working with manufacturers to develop AI-powered robots that can understand their environment using sensors, cameras, and deep learning algorithms. These robots can handle tasks without human guidance. These advancements raise a major question. Which jobs are being replaced? The answer is clear: many low-skill and repetitive roles are at risk. Jobs such as assembly line workers, forklift drivers, warehouse packers, quality inspectors, loaders, and basic data entry operators are all being automated rapidly. Robots can work 24 hours a day without breaks, sick leave, or overtime pay, making them a highly attractive investment for companies. Tesla's Optimus robot is specifically designed to perform human-like tasks. It can walk, lift, handle tools, install components, and even perform delicate wiring work. Traditional factories relied on humans repeating the same task hundreds of times. Now Optimus performs the same tasks faster and with perfect accuracy, without fatigue or mistakes. This single robot has the power to replace multiple human workers. Google's robots are no less advanced. Using learning dash-by-dash-seeing technology, they learn tasks by watching billions of videos and images from the internet. Show a robot how to tighten a bolt once, and it can repeat the task flawlessly every time after. This learning ability opens the possibility for factories where the entire workforce consists of AI-trained robotic systems. Companies are adopting robots for several powerful reasons. Robots reduce long-term costs, eliminate human errors, work significantly faster, improve workplace safety, and maintain consistent output without downtime. Automation has moved from being an optional upgrade to an essential requirement for global competitiveness. In the next decade, experts predict that over half of the world's factories will be fully automated. Robots will design products, manufacture them, package them, and even deliver them. Human workers will not disappear but will shift into roles involving supervision, programming, AI training, system monitoring, and maintenance. Today's manual, repetitive jobs are being replaced by automation. Tomorrow's jobs will focus on AI operations, robotics engineering, automation supervision, data analysis, and robot maintenance. Work isn't disappearing, it's evolving into something more technical and skill-dependent. This transformation brings both opportunities and challenges. On the positive side, automation increases productivity, creates safer workplaces, speeds up production, and reduces product costs. But on the negative side, low-skilled workers may face job losses. Income inequality may widen, and millions of people will need reskilling to remain relevant. Those who fail to upgrade their skills may find themselves replaced by machines. To survive in the AI-driven future, people must learn basic AI concepts, understand robotic workflows, build digital skills, and explore data analysis and automation tools. These skills will help them work with robots instead of competing against them. AI robots are not our enemies. They are powerful tools that can improve human life, but they will only benefit those who adapt to change. Google and Tesla have already opened the door to a new industrial revolution. The world is now entering an era where much of the workforce may not be human at all. This is the true future of work and the next stage of technological evolution. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our future videos about technology, AI, and the future of work. Your support helps us bring you more high-quality content.